2011 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, front, cruise control, floor mats, rear defrost, power door locks, child safety locks, OnStar 1-year safe and sound service, power windows, trip odometer, backup camera. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.